Hey Color Gang, alright, so we're going to get right into this liner. You first want to make sure you're starting with a very fine line in the front. And as you're going to continue that line, you're going to continue to bring your tool up into an angle so you can create that wing look. I personally like to fix the imperfections of the line as I'm going, which is why you see me stopping and turning and going back. I prefer to do it while I'm going rather than to go fix it at the end. But as you're continuing, you're going to make sure your tool has a little bit of product on it so you can start wisping your tail, because your tail need to be as fine as possible. Okay, and what I would suggest for you to do is start from the tip, not the very tip, probably a little small piece lower than the actual tip, and draw a line going diagonally down to meet your eyelid. And then you're going to continue to do that until you get it as close as possible. And once you get it close, you're going to start from your eyelid and go to the tip so you can make a wisp angle again and straighten out that bottom line. And I don't dip it fully in, especially when I'm doing the tail. I just take the little product that's around the ring and just use that to continue to do my tail. Make sure you have as least product as possible. And you see how when I open my eye, how it has a weird angle to it? I hate that. So I'm gonna show you how I correct that. What you're gonna do, the way to fix it, you're gonna fix it with the bottom line, not the top line. So you're gonna take the bottom line, you're gonna continue to make the straightest line possible, but instead of angling it up the way it's going, just try to redirect it outwards more, and then you're going to take your top line and connect it to the more outward line to direct it back how you want it. And then whatever you have left to fill in, you're just going to fill it in. This part, doesn't matter how much product you have. The more the better, because you're filling it in. And I would definitely suggest to have a mirror kind of downward so your eye can be closed. That's going to help you get the straightest line possible. And this is how you slay your liner. And this is the finishing look. We did a red. Follow me on Instagram at Amanda_Galore to see how this look was created. Bye, loves.